California's Oroville Dam, which is a earth-filled dam located on the Feather River, could not have been built without the help of the Oro Dam Railroad, which was introduced to the world with a simple newspaper announcement in October 1962. The Western Pacific Railroad was contracted to build the Oro Dam line, which was built to mainline standards and included centralized traffic control, 136-pound rail, motorized turnouts, and a rotary car dumper. In addition, 10 brand new General Electric U-25C locomotives and 180 solid bottom, 110-ton capacity hopper cars, modified with special electrical connections which allowed for coupling and uncoupling at the push of a button, were also purchased by the company. The 12-mile route, which ran from a former gold mining area to the new dam site, included 3 miles of former Western Pacific right-of-way, a tunnel, and 3 trestle bridges, was completed in late September 1963. Rail haul operations commenced on October 1st, 1963. The railroad soon fell into a mundane rhythm of moving earth from the load point to the dumper. The rail equipment, which was divided into 4 trains, consisted of 2 locomotives and 42 cars, operated 6 days a week, 24 hours a day, in order to keep the height of the earthen dam always on the rise. On the evening of October 7, 1965, everything changed when an empty southbound train collided head-on with a loaded northbound train at the South Tunnel portal. 2 locomotives were destroyed, and 4 crew members died in the fiery collision. The investigation found that the crew of the loaded northbound failed to stop for a red signal at a siding south of the tunnel so the empty train could pass. It took cleanup crews 6 days to clear the debris and get the track back in usable condition. Operations went back to normal and continued until Thursday, October 5th, 1967, when the Oroville Dam reached its maximum height of 770 feet and the last car was unloaded. The Oro Dam Railroad, once heralded as the greatest show in earth moving, had done its job and was shut down with little fanfare. The 8 remaining U-25C locomotives were sold to the Louisville and Nashville Railroad. The rock hauling cars and rotary dumper were sold to an iron ore mining company in Australia, and a section of the railroad, including the tunnel, has become part of the Brad Freeman Trail and is easily accessible to the public. If you enjoy our videos, click the like button, ring that notification bell, subscribe to this channel, join our Facebook and Twitter pages, and keep up with what's going on. You can also help keep this train moving by becoming a Patreon supporter. Links are in the description.